Hi all, I'm Rajeshwari, a resident of my home Bhuja. I just want to share a small information with you. On the recommendation of my interior person, I went for Slido doors and I'm very happy with it. They are very good in quality, they are very good at service, they are good at whatnot, everything all around they are good. A special mention has got to be made about Mr. Shrikant, the channel head of Slido, Hyderabad. He helps us like anything. If you have any problem, he is always there to help you, and he goes out of the way to help you. Like I had problem with my doors. When I told him, immediately he came, he checked, he took them off and again he replaced. So what I want to tell you is Slido doors and Slido company is that good. I strongly recommend Slido to all of you. Please use it and see, and I am sure you will have the same experience as I experienced. Okay, good luck Slido.